Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zooz Z-Wave dimmers with Home Assistant, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your Zooz Z-Wave dimmers and Home Assistant ready for setup. First, power off your existing lights to ensure safety during installation. Next, identify the location where you will install the Zooz Z-Wave dimmer. Carefully remove the existing light switch. Take note of the wiring configuration before disconnecting any wires. Connect the Zooz Z-Wave dimmer according to the wiring diagram provided in the manual. Ensure that the live wire is connected to the terminal marked line. Connect the load wire to the terminal labeled load. For neutral wiring, connect the neutral wire to the terminal marked neutral. When all connections are secure, carefully reattach the dimmer to the wall and secure it with screws. Next, restore power to the circuit at the breaker. Now, open your Home Assistant application on your device. Navigate to the Configuration menu. Select Integrations from the Configuration menu. In the Integrations section, click on Add Integration. Search for Z-Wave and select it from the list of available integrations. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the Z-Wave integration. Once the Z-Wave integration is set, you'll need to include your Zooz dimmer. To do this, put your dimmer in pairing mode. This typically involves toggling the switch 3 times quickly. Return to Home Assistant and click on the option to add a new device. Your Zooz Z-Wave dimmer should appear in the list of available devices. Select it and follow any additional prompts to complete the inclusion. Once included, configure the dimmer settings according to your preferences. Test the dimmer by adjusting the brightness through Home Assistant. If everything is set up correctly, your dimmer should respond seamlessly. For additional features, explore the automation settings within Home Assistant. Enjoy your new Zooz Z-Wave dimmers with Home Assistant for a smarter home experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.